so this thing's been sitting for, I mean, easy a couple weeks, 3-4 weeks. Welcome to today's video. And as you can already see from the little intro, we're gonna be trying to figure out these shifter issues with the shitbox. So we're gonna try to get this old car into that old garage without moving the Corvette, because that's out of gas. All right, what's up, guys? Well, I'm back. We got a little bit interrupted there. Guys, coming to fix the back porch steps that are kind of fucked up. What else we got back here? The last time I think I drove this and actually did anything was when we did this phenomenal job on the door latch here, and this thing actually works better than before. Dang, bro, some spiders and shit getting in here. That's some bullshit. About to get eaten up by some nasty shit. So maybe we'll go ahead and kind of get some stuff out of here. We won't get bit up and eaten up, but we're gonna figure out why this shifter is doing whatever the hell it is doing. So then we got a new shifter already in there. The fact that this thing fired up is crazy to me. Ooh, baby. Yep, she's a happy girl. So we're gonna try to get this thing all cleaned up in here. We're gonna have to make some room and some adjustments and where all this shit's at. So I think we're gonna pile a bunch of stuff on top of this thing and move all that out the way. Some more freaking Corvette panels, guys. That Corvette's gonna get done eventually. Move that out the way. Hey, look at that, a little magnet bowl. Stick that on the front. Toolbox keys. I think it might be this one. Yeah, I got too many fucking toolboxes, too many damn tool chests. Man, every damn thing. There we go. It's locked up good. Let's throw some power on here. Cool, let there be light. Hyper tough light, baby. Highly recommend. Oh man, hopefully we don't get a bunch of wind interference here. All right. We're gonna pile a bunch of shit up here. Get some stuff out the way. We're gonna throw some stuff away. So we're gonna clean the garage out first, man. So y'all bear with me. You wanna hang out with me, cool? What's up, guys? So I'm gonna show y'all what we got to take apart. Got the car semi in the air. Didn't really feel comfortable. Put it on 4 jack stands that high just because tiny garage. I don't need the car to fly off anything today or try to kill me. So get it up a little bit. So we got to take off said heat shield. Drop down this exhaust cross member deal. I'm not even sure why it's so big, but you can see our flex pipe exhaust is still super legit, hanging low and scraping on shit. Then we need to get up in there behind that heat shield, get up in there, unbolt that shifter assembly. Should drop right down. I should be able to see at least what's going on. And yeah, we got the jack here for moral support so we don't die. Yeah, flex pipe exhaust hanging on. But yeah, other than that, that's what we got to do. So we are gonna get it apart and then see how things go. Alright, we're gonna try to access most of this shit with everything still kind of in place. If I have to, I'll unbolt that clamp from the cat. Other than that, fixing to get this heat shield off here. Alright, so we got that big old heat shield out. That piece just had to slide back. I think I might have to take off this exhaust clamp. There is the shifter box. Right there. Underneath that cover is the shift linkages. There's the cables. You can see them going. Right there. Those two shifter cables. Back to that right there. As I said, this heat shield had to come completely out. I just kind of moved that because we got the old flexi pipe, so I just shoved it by it. And that piece just slid back. It goes here in like a little intermediate spot to connect the two. That little wiring deal right there, we just had to kind of unclip from the heat shield. And, well, there's the O2s. I don't know what the hell all this bullshit is, but this thing needs to get a head pipe and a high flow cat or just straight pipe with some O2s. But yeah, continuing on here. We're gonna get this box out of here. Oh shit. Damn, that's bright. And we're gonna see what else we gotta do. We gotta go inside the car here and unbolt it real quick. And we're fixing to climb inside this bad boy. If it falls with me in it, ain't really a huge deal. Get some light on the situation here. We had to take off the little boot, all the insulation. Half this shit, I don't know what it does. I ain't gonna be unplugging any of that bullshit because I don't really care. So we got bolt there, bolt there. Let's see if there's 13. Hell yeah, it's a 13. God dang. Well, I guess that ought to work right there. Dang, cup holder style. Y'all hear a big clunk. Then you know the shifter box fell out. I did watch a YouTube video on this, so you know I'm a professional. Not a big Volkswagen guy, so I just like these VR6s and figured a Golf VR6 would be the first experience, and then we can maybe build something out of this dang thing. I don't know. Sorry if y'all can't see. Alright, that seems to be working. I think there is 2 bolts underneath. Man, that's bright. So we will see you guys when it's out, and we'll show you what's going on. Hopefully y'all be able to see that. Might be able to get this to happen. It's the shift knob that's keeping all this in check. Well, this don't look like she's gonna happen. I do not want to take off this fucking exhaust. Damn it, we're gonna have to. It's not what I wanted to do today. Let me get y'all out of there. Oh man, y'all good? Woo, y'all got scuffed up. Alrighty, pause this for a minute, take a break. When we come back, we're gonna get to this exhaust, man. Shit. Alright guys, so the exhaust bolts on this head pipe are super rusty. I don't feel like running open headers. no exhaust, so I'm gonna leave them alone. Plus the gasket's probably bad. Probably within the next few months or something, as soon as getting to get a head pipe and like legit exhaust anyways, but we got to get it driving around before that can happen. So as of now, this bracket only holds the cables in place. Couple bolts, and where the cables go right through there. So we're gonna rip that thing off of there. See if we can't get this thing out of here. Kind of a pain in the ass so far, because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this accomplished. I did figure out that it is the shift selector cable that is just hitting the shifter down there, so probably one of these little clips right here. That's what's holding kind of the cables to each other and stuff. Man, that's really bright. So that's probably what came off. So that's we're just gonna try to figure this shit out. Well, folks, figured out the problem. See anything wrong here? About there. Let's get that over something that you can see through. Yeah, well, here they are. Nice dried up nasty bushings. Looking like a crushed ass peanut. So we had to go about this a different route to get this cable, these two cables out. These are hooked to the shift box underneath. The bolts on the exhaust manifold are super rusty, I guess, man. I weren't getting them off. I don't want to break them. That way I still have some sort of manifold. And then we disconnected from the transmission. So I either need to get the whole shit. I doubt they sell little bushings. Probably won't be able to do the shifter until we get this freaking exhaust out. Damn, I'll jack myself up. Yummy. Yeah, I mean, these bushings are still pretty good. They're all there. There's nothing wrong with this end of it. Cables are nice and free, smooth. Probably needs a good adjustment. Clutch is probably cooked. I ain't taking this thing apart right now to figure it out. But for now, I think that's going to be it. We're gonna look into getting some new cables on order. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. We might do some stuff with the Challenger today. Might get her up here closer, right here, and do some of the LEDs. Well, folks, we're gonna have another update for you. So, gonna also the shifter crap out. We did end up getting the shifter to come completely out, and we got the little Megan Racing one in there. Ain't that some shit? Little determination. We got the shifter in. All we gotta do is get some new friggin' cables. We'll be good straight. I just kind of put one bolt back in there. Let me get the light on the situation. I just put one bolt back in there. That little guy right there. So it'll hold it up. And I took everything apart. Can't go in reverse. So now we're just gonna put this little roly-poly in there. Dang. There we go. There it is. Now we're on it. That little clip go. No. Now what on earth does this do with that little clip? Makes everything go. Now let's throw the old spring back on there. Get the old shift knob back on. In reverse. Now we just gotta get some new shift cables. And alrighty, now we're just gonna get some new shift cables and we'll be good to go. Here is the old shifter. Word is that this is supposed to give it a little bit more of a short shift. I'll keep this bad boy just in case. You never know when you're gonna need old parts. Around over there for now. And since we decided to go a little bit longer in the video, again, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed me fighting my car for about 2 hours in probably about a 20-30 minute video. Next for the ship box, I think we're gonna put the Kenwood Exelon in here instead of this bullshit little Pioneer. Lights, camera, action. So we got this little single din in here. I think we're gonna put in the Pioneer or the Kenwood Exelon receiver. Sucks because I'm gonna have to redo a bunch of wiring, but I mean the amp and everything already in here. So for now, we'll see you later. All we gotta do is get some shift cables. See you in the next one.